Before we are pitching into the topic, you can just check out our playlist. Okay, we are keep on uploading the ServiceNow integrations related beginners to advanced, and you will see more interview questions related also, which are being asked for my students. So I do make some reels also on this, and then each and every topic related you will be finding the playlist. Okay, subscribe our channel. Okay, and get the updates on daily basis that videos we are uploading.
So now I had the system, correct? I had my ServiceNow system. From ServiceNow system, I am sending the data somewhere to ABC application. Something it can be, correct? That is our last session. Okay. When you are sending something to ABC application, okay, what kind of integration it is? There are two type of integrations. Okay, type of integrations are two types in the ServiceNow. There are two types. When I am sending some data to ABC application, then what kind of integration it is? Okay, now I am the X person. Okay, I am dialing your number. Okay, your number, some XXXXS. Then the call, whatever you are dialing, that would be calling as what and why in general way. Okay, you are the X person, you had the mobile. Okay, in the mobile, you dialed some number to reach someone, or you ping someone to wanted to be communicate with someone. Then you dialed one number, that is this. Then the call, whatever you are having, the call, what kind of call it is? Is that missed call or the incoming call or outgoing call? What kind of call it is? In this
Outgoing.
example,
Outgoing.
why outgoing? First point.
Because the X person calling to try to call for other person.
Okay, me person, me, I had a mobile. I'm dialing your number. Your number is this. I had your details. I'm expressing your number. I'm calling you. Then the type of call can be
Outgoing.
outgoing. Correct? Why outgoing? We are calling to someone here. Okay. For example, these are all the details of someone. Okay. For example, these are all the details of someone, API details, and I am the service now. I am integrating, I am making some posting some data to some ABC system. That is outgoing or incoming? I'm
Outgoing.
sending some data.
Outgoing.
Till now, the scenarios, whatever we discussed, it's purely related to outgoing, because in ServiceNow system, okay, I am sending some data to external system, from ServiceNow to external system, means outgoing. Okay, think as a ServiceNow people and tell me, for ServiceNow people, it would be outgoing, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
For ServiceNow people, it would be outgoing, because we are sending some data to ABC platform as something like here. For me, it's outgoing. For this guy, it is incoming, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Me and dialing your number. For you, it will be incoming. That's it. Whenever you are mapping the scenario into our ServiceNow place, okay, our ServiceNow platform developers, when we are making or sending some data to some ABC platform, that is calling as outbound integration. What you can be calling as outbound integration. Outbound integration. That we had learned it. That's it. Okay. When we are exposing someone's details and sending the data, okay, then that can be calling as outbound integration. Then what is income? Okay, when we say outbound, then there will be vice versa incoming also, na? Correct? Income, inbound integration. Okay, next integration is inbound integration. What is integration? Inbound. Can you guess it? What is inbound integration, ma?
You
Can you
can
tell?
receive the data from the third party.
Okay, we can. Okay, we can receive the data from external system. External system. So most of the times you do see outbound integration. Okay, most of the times you will be seeing outbound integration. But as a developer, you must have an idea on the inbound integrations also. But why the inbound integrations are needed? When we ask Jira admin, okay, when we ask Jira admin, they were giving us the API details. In the similar way, when someone asks us some scenarios basis, even we should have the API details similar way. But how can we create the API details? For example, I am opening this. Okay, this is the system. For example, okay, this is the get call. When I am hitting this, what is my expected response? But why it has designed in such way? Expected response also. Okay, yesterday what we had seen somewhere, Jira. Let's go to the Jira. It will be very simple, ma. Till yesterday, it was outgoing. Then we need to learn about incoming also. Okay. What we have searched, Jira API details. This is the one, right? Okay. See here, we were talking about group. Okay. We are seeing the number of APIs here. When we say create group, okay, the create group related curl is this, correct? This. And this is the body. When you hit this, okay, let's try. Let me take it up. Let's take entire thing. If not, then you will get understand. On other platforms, we will be having the API details. Okay, we will be having the API details. When someone asks the Jira people, okay, someone asks Jira people to be provided the API for the get group, the Jira people are sending this curl details, correct or not? Okay, for example, you are the ServiceNow guy. You came to me and asked, give me, okay, whenever we had the requirement, okay, something like I wanted to be get the details of group. Then this is the API. Then this will give you. You will give me this, correct? When I wanted to be get the group, I wanted to be send it over the external system. For example, in my ServiceNow, I wanted to be hit this or hit this, right? When I am sending out this particular endpoint, where how it is being created, what is the response I am getting, first point, and why this is only coming, the response. Who has built these APIs for the Jira people? There are plenty of APIs which are developed. It will not be working automatically now. They should have to, developers has to be developed it. Okay, when we say if users are there, okay, user related APIs also will be there. This and all related to the APIs, no? This left side, whatever you are seeing. Do you see user related something here anywhere? Users. Okay. Users also there. Create user is there. But when I am hitting this URL, Okay, when I am hitting this URL, let me take it. When I am hitting this URL, what response I am getting, okay, and what request has to be sent out. Who has designed this first endpoint? Who has designed this? Who has designed this? Who has designed this kind of pattern? First point. When you hit this, why only it should give, it should create the users? Why it should not create the group? Who will be designing this and all? From Jira? Jira developers will be working on it and they will be developing this. And when someone asked, they will directly give this API details. When our tool exposed to some external system, right or wrong? So I had one requirement. I am the ServiceNow developer. Okay, I am the ServiceNow developer. I had one requirement. Okay, I had requirement from Jira. Jira people, okay, asked us whenever user is created in ServiceNow, then immediately, then next, then user also created in Jira. This is the requirement from Jira people. You are the ServiceNow developer. This requirement you got it. Then immediately what you will be asking them. Immediately what you will be asking them to fulfill this requirement from Jira side, what you needed. First point. I am the ServiceNow developer. I got some requirement from Jira team. Okay. Scenario is something like whenever user is created in the ServiceNow, then with the same details user should be created in the Jira. Then immediately as a ServiceNow developer, what you will be asking them. First point, what topic you will be using. In this case, both platforms should be in the sync. Na? What topic you will be using? Integration topic. Na? In to process with integration from Jira team, what you needed?
APIs,
API
URL.
details needed. Na? API details means this na? To
Yes.
create the user. These are all the API details. Na? This they will give you directly. Correct or not? But who had developed this from the Jira team? When we hit this endpoint and sending this request body, what is the response sheet should come and how the user is being created in the Jira. That is the main topic in our service now. Next thing. Okay, from Jira side, developers are there. Okay, they develop these APIs. Correct or not? This and all who has developed ServiceNow people or Jira people, respective people. These are APIs and all. When I am sending this is the response sheet should come. But who has designed these APIs? Jira developers will be designing these APIs. Remember, in similar way, when someone, okay, when someone wanted to be, okay, send the data to our ServiceNow system, then we should have the API details or not. We should be able to provide the API details or not, as like Jira people does. Are you understand the requirement now?
Yes, sir.
As like Jira people are giving you. So for example, okay, For example, you had the requirement. Now you do understand practically. Okay. For example, okay, Jira people had the requirement. Okay. In Jira, whenever the user is created, okay, created immediately in ServiceNow, user should be created. It is their requirement, correct or not? It is Jira requirement, right? But Jira people, whenever they contact you as a ServiceNow developer or ServiceNow team, what we need to give them? What we need to give them?
We are also giving
We should be also in the place of giving this kind of details or not. Are you following everyone? Try to understand why it is needed, then the process easily will get understood. Whenever Jira has the requirement, whenever they had created the user, same user should be created in the ServiceNow. Now you tell me this type of integration, outbound integration or inbound integration for ServiceNow. For ServiceNow, it is outbound integration or inbound integration. No?
inbound integration.
Inbound integration means we are receiving the data. Someone is sending the data. We are receiving the data. Then this type of integration is calling as inbound integration. For our ServiceNow system, someone is sending the data. External system is sending the data. Then as a ServiceNow people, we will be calling it as inbound integration. Now you did understand what is inbound integration, ma? And what job you need to do in the inbound integrations?
Need to provide the details for the third party.
We need to provide the details for the third party people. For that also, we will be having our ServiceNow team. We need to be builded the APIs. We need to set the response. That is our next topic, important topic. Fine. We should have to develop the similar way APIs. We need to build the request. Whenever you hit this, what it should be done. That also should be developed from our end. That is the expectation. Okay. Fine. Are you understanding the requirement? Everyone? Can we take this user related?
Yes,
Can we create the API as like they did?
yes, sir.
Okay. Just go to our platform, ServiceNow platform.